Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing belt on a Mitsubishi Lancer. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a torque wrench, jack stands, and a complete new timing belt kit. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery for safety. Next, carefully drain the engine coolant. You will then need to remove the accessory drive belts and the large crankshaft pulley bolt, which can be quite tight. Now, let's get to the timing belt itself. You'll need to remove both the upper and lower timing belt covers to fully expose the belt and its components. This often involves removing several small bolts. Once exposed, carefully rotate the crankshaft until all the timing marks on the camshafts and crankshaft are perfectly aligned. This critical step ensures proper engine timing. Then, loosen the timing belt tensioner pulley bolt to release the tension on the old belt, allowing for its easy removal. With the old belt removed, it's time for the new components. Carefully install the new timing belt, making absolutely sure that all the timing marks on the camshafts and crankshaft remain perfectly aligned throughout the process. It's also a good practice to replace the water pump and any idler pulleys, as these are typically included in a comprehensive timing belt kit. Finally, install the new timing belt tensioner and apply the manufacturer-specified tension. Then re-verify all timing marks. Now let's put everything back together. Carefully reinstall all the timing belt covers, the crankshaft pulley, and all the accessory drive belts. Once everything is securely in place, refill the engine with the correct type and amount of fresh engine coolant. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Before starting, perform a thorough visual inspection to ensure all connections are tight and nothing is left loose. Finally, start the engine and listen for smooth operation, checking for any unusual noises or leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.